So I have this bet going on with my YouTube coach. So I need everybody out there to help me. So you guys know I love my YouTube and I hope that you are all subscribing to me. But I need to hit 1,000 subscribers. So for all of you who just watch my videos, I need you to stop watching and subscribe to me. So in order to subscribe, if you're on YouTube TV, you need to go to the QR code. If you are on your phone, this little thing, you need to click the link below. So look guys, I know that you like my valuable content and you want to keep seeing me. So if you like all of that, just hit the subscribe button, please, and help me win my bet with my coach because I don't like to lose. So I need to win. And my bet ends at the end of the month. So I'm only at like 580 subscribers. And that's very good when you are doing this all organically. But I need you to subscribe to me. And I need them to be local subscribers because that's who I care about. I care about the local subscribers subscribing to me. So I want to bring you valuable content. I want to keep bringing you Chesapeake, Virginia Beach video walkthrough tours because that's what you care about. You care about tours of all of my beautiful listings. You want to see all of my houses that are coming soon, have these gorgeous backyards. You care about what's going on. You also care what's going on in the market today. So if you want to know all of what's going on, subscribe. Subscribe here. So anyhow, help me win my bet because I am going to Summit with my big coach, Tom Ferry, at the very beginning of August, and I need to look good. So remember, subscribe to me here. And if you want to know other things that I'm not bringing you that may be valuable, please drop it in the comments and I will bring you all the valuable content that you could possibly ever need because I am that person that you want to hear them from. So just let me know and don't forget to what? Subscribe because I need to win my bet with my coach, Aaron Chua, who is the best YouTube coach in the world. And he's my coach. So thank you for watching. And what did I say again? Subscribe. Thank you.